Welcome to our geometry class. Today our topic is the properties of gate. Our problem for today is quadrilateral FGHI is a gate. Okay, this one is a gate. What is the measurements angle of angle G? Okay, before let me explain what I mean gate. So a gate has exactly one pair of opposite congruent angles. All right, this is some description. Another thing is this is one thing. The second thing is the interior angles sum of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. All right, this is a description. What I mean, a gate, quadrilateral, a quadrilateral gate. Okay, this is some property of the quadrilaterals. This is remember we are talking about the properties of quadrilaterals. In this case, a gate. Okay, this is the definition. All right, let's try to solve our problem here. First step. So the first step here, let's just solve here. All right. So let's write something for our problem. So angle G, this one, and angle I, this one, are opposite. Angles. So also angle F, this one, and angle H, are opposite. We need to describe what is the main thing about our quadrilateral here. All right. So here, since F G H I is gate and measures angle F is different. This one measurements of angle F is different to the measurements of angle H. Right? So measurements of angle G is equals, this one is equals to measuring of angle I. So these two angles are equals. To find the answer, we have to use the interior angle measurements of the quadrilateral. Remember the description is 360 degrees. To set up the equation and solve for measurements angle G. All right. So let's then to start to solve or find the answer of the problem. Okay, after this description. All right. So now, first step, measuring our angle F plus measurements of angle G plus measuring of angle H plus measurement of angle I, this one I, is equals 360 degrees. So here substitute measuring angle I equals measuring angle G. Alright, so next step then. So again, measuring angle F plus measuring angle G plus measuring or angle H plus measuring or here again measuring angle I is equals 360 degrees. So I mean if this is equals, remember this one is equals like this one, angle G is equals to angle I. So here, just right here again, measuring angle G twice, right? Because it is the same. Here we have to combine like term. Alright, so next step we are going to have measuring or angle F again plus 2 times measuring angle G. Remember, G plus measuring or angle H. Here all these are equals 360 degrees. In this case, plug it in. Measuring angle F equals 126 degrees. Alright, is this one. We're talking about the angle F and measurements of angle H, which is equals 62 degrees. Alright, so now just substitute the values here. We are going to have here 126 degrees here plus 2 times measurements of angle G here, angle G, plus 62 degrees. So this is equals 360. Alright, he combined the like terms. Again, combine the like term here. This is the combine. Combine the like term. Alright, you do that. So next step, we are going to have 2 times measurements or angle G here plus, if you combine 126 plus 62 is equals 188 degrees, so equals 360 degrees. So subtract here, now subtract what? 188 degrees from both sides. Alright? So then you are going to have next step 2 times measuring angle G equals, you subtract 188 from 360 degrees, you're going to have 172. That's the answer here. So now next step, divide both sides by 2. you divide both sides by 2, then the answer here, so 172 divided by 2, so the measurements of angle G is equals 80, will be equals 86 degrees. So this is our answer, all right? So that's it.